pit barrel cooker is a chicken cooking machine. Customers consistently tell us all the time that it is their go-to for cooking chicken, and it is absolutely amazing. You're typically looking for right around a 5-pound bird, and you're going to look to cook it for right around 2 hours. Preparation of the chicken is really simple. I like to split it in half with a bread knife. I find that actually really works well. I like to take one side, put it back down to the side. And it's totally optional. It's nice to cut that backbone out of there. I find that just a bread knife seems to make things really, really easy. From there, just a little olive oil and all-purpose rub is all you need. And we are ready for the hook placement. Hook placement is crucial. As long as you get it right, there's no problems. Basically, that breastplate right there, we're gonna put that hook right in here. Fold the wing over, just like that. Stacks really well in there. You can do 8 halves at one time. If you're looking for a really simple, reliable meal, you can't go wrong with pit barrel chicken.